slow down. I don't know why I talk so fast sometimes. I can't help it. It's just like blah, 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 blah. It just comes out. I can't help it. Can't help it. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're wondering why I am wearing this lovely shirt, it's because I am getting ready to head back to Germany and I'm so stinking excited. We will be there for the summer. My husband is stoked. He's German. His whole family lives there and we have missed them greatly. So we're super excited to be back again in our second home. And I have so many fabulous shoots planned. I can't wait. And I even have a little trip to Paris planned. I hope that you'll stay tuned and watch out for that. It will be coming up in the next month or so. And if you're not already subscribed, I hope you hit the subscribe button down below so you can see those upcoming videos. But today we are going to talk about shooting outside. So I'm getting ready to head to a shoot right now and I'll show you some behind the scenes. So let's go.
You do things to me that I just can't describe. The way you say my name just makes me tremble.
Here we are on location. This is actually a public greenway. So we did do a little more modest outfits just because we didn't want families walking by and seeing the model in her skivvies. Here we are shooting with some backlight. We looked for open shade just to get the best light because it is during the day. I love to shoot around dusk or dawn. However, it just wasn't going to happen for this date. Anytime that I'm shooting outside and it's bright sunlight, I look for open shade. So that is tip number one. Here we are in our next location at the same park. I set her up in a little bit of a diffused light, so the sunlight is coming from the side and it just looks really pretty. So this is tip number two. Try not to use a direct light, but just get a little bit of diffused light from the side and it looks beautiful.
Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious.
Tip number three may be an obvious one, but you definitely want to look for a location that is private. And if you are shooting in a public place like we are today, definitely have your client dress more modest. But if you have a private location and you're unsure somebody may happen upon you, you can even take an assistant to kind of be a lookout. Tip number four, when you're shooting outside on location, definitely include a lot of the scenery. It's just going to give you a lot of variety in your images. Try to shoot around your subject and just get a lot of the atmosphere. It's going to make for beautiful portraits. If at all possible, try to scout the location that you're planning your shoot, only because this is going to save you a lot of time from trying to look around on the day of your shoot, and you are going to already know the best spots in that area and the time of day that you need to be there. So try to go at the same time of day that you plan your shoot to be, so that way you can change it if you need to. So if you go, say, at 4 p.m. and the lighting is horrible, then you know you may need to adjust and come at 6 p.m. when there may be better lighting. Just keep that in mind. Try to scout your location before your photo shoot. Like I said earlier in the video, I hope that you'll hit the subscribe button and follow me to see my upcoming adventures in Germany and my amazing shoot in Paris, which I'm super excited about. I can't wait to share that. Also, follow me on Instagram. I will post what that looks like right here and a link down below in the description. And in the meantime, if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. I love getting to know my followers. So drop some questions down there. I'm always happy to answer and connect with you. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks, bye. And if you are new here, I'm glad that you're here. Again, here. Yeah, here. Thanks for being here.